Hi guys, it is Cammy and it's 2025. I can't believe it's 2025, you guys. And I am back with so many new tutorials and products that I can't wait to show you guys. I am so excited to announce that I have online classes now. And to make my online classes more accessible, I'm offering my classes on Patreon, which is linked in this video and in my bio. In my first class, we are going to apply loose pre-mates on a model from start to finish. So many tips and tricks only available to my Patreon students, so you don't want to miss it.